How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel here. In today's video, I'll go ahead and walk you through how you can turn off or just unsync your device from iPhone to your iPad with iOS 16. Now imagine you just sync your iPhone to your iPad, and then every time you're gonna get a call, messages, even your note, photos, and your Gmail or whatever the mail you have will get auto-synced to your iPad. Now these features is kind of annoying for some time, and if you want to turn off or unsync your device completely, then watch the entire video to learn how simply and easily you can do that. So let's get started. Alright guys, now the first thing that you want to do on your iPhone and iPad is you want to open up your settings for both of your devices and scroll down to your general. So my general is already been set on my iPad here. Then you want to choose AirPlay and hands up. So you want to open up exactly the same settings from your iPhone as well. Simply turn these off. Now these features allows you to sync up your device. So if you just do that, well, your device syncing will get stopped. Now let's go ahead and talk further on how you can stop it totally from your iPhone to your iPad. First thing that you want to do, you want to go ahead and open up your settings on your iPhone, and here you got to tap on your Apple ID there, and now you want to choose your iCloud. If you're going to enable all the features from here, then what's going to happen, your device, everything is going to be synced to your iCloud, especially if you are using the same Apple ID. So all you guys can do, you can turn up some of the features, especially if you use the same Apple ID for both devices and you want to turn up the syncing, then you can turn these features off from here. Then your device will no longer sync anything from your iPhone to your iPad. But it would be best if you use different Apple ID for both devices, and then it will literally stop you to get synced anything from your iPhone to your iPad. Alright guys, so the next things we're going to talk about how to turn off or stop that iMessages and Facetime calls from your iPhone to your iPad. Now if you want to turn it off, first all you want to do, you want to open up your settings, and then when you scroll down here and you want to choose your iMessages first. Now here is what you can do. Okay, so first, if you turn off the iMessages features on your iPad, then what's going to happen, no call, no messages is ever going to come on your iPad unless you turn it back on. Or now all you can do, you can change your Apple ID, therefore it will stop syncing the messages from your iPhone to your iPad. Or you can do exactly the same things with your FaceTime. You can either choose another Apple ID or you can turn up the features, and therefore it will stop syncing everything from your iPhone to your iPad. Alright guys, so these are the ways that you guys can do to unsync your iPhone to your iPad with iOS 16. Hope you find this video useful. If you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace out.